Hey guys, my name is Extension Alex. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn these jeans into a skirt. So with that, let's get into the video. We're going to lose the middle part of the jeans, and after losing it, come back. Yeah, this is after I've loosed it. After losing it, I turned it inside out to show you. This is me. I'm losing the crotch area of the front and the back. This is for a perfect fit because it's a jean trouser. We're trying to turn it into a skirt. So after losing this part of the trouser, I also lose the back area of it completely. This is me using my seam ripper. So if you don't have a seam ripper, you can use a razor, but this seam ripper works magic. So I also use scissors to cut the band of the back for easy access to enable me lose it. After that, you align the crotch area of the back so we give it a perfect curve. So while doing this, you have to make sure the back and the front is properly aligned to give you your fitting. Then I got my ruler to get a straight line. I ruled it from the lap to the hip. I want to have a curve, so I curve it a little bit at the waist area so it gives me a perfect curve. And I went over to the sewing machine to sew it up. Just then you do that just the same way I'm doing mine. After that, when you get to the waist area, you come in by 2 inches from the waist area. Coming by 2 inches. Then this is after I fixed the band to the band I cut. I fixed it together. After sewing it, you cut off the excess for a perfect fitting behind it so it doesn't puff out when you wear it. After joining it together and cutting off the excess, then you go back to the band and you fix the loop for the belt. Then after then, I still went ahead to open up the band and remove the excess because I don't want it to puff out when I wear it at the waist region, because I did a little snatch in there. Then this is me measuring the other belts. What's it called? The zip belt loop. Let's call it a loop, belt loop. Then I'm sewing up the waist that I loosed from the band. I'm stitching it inside. Sorry, my machine was shaking the camera, but I hope you can see it. Then I removed the thread. This is me removing the thread. Then I sorry, this is my first voice over DIY, so it might sound weird, but I'm sure you understand everything I'm saying. I'm trying to be as detailed as possible. Then this is me. I'm trying to sew the loop of the best. Please tell me what it's called. I'm going to check on Google anyway, but please tell me what it's called. I measure the side loop and I use the measurement to fix up this one, so it's giving that curve behind because I gave it a bump curve at the behind of the jeans. So this is me trying to I want it to have a slit in front, so I'm trying to align it so while sewing it is not difficult for me. Knowing that I'm a church girl, I will definitely wear this to church. Had to measure where I will fix it, and I brought it a little bit above my knee, and which is 19 inches. This is me marking the 19 inches. Then I used my pin. I used my pin to pin up this side because I'm going to be sewing it inside. I'm going to be hemming it. I used my pin to hem the sides that will be showing, and yeah, this is me just pinning it down so it doesn't give me a challenge when I want to sew it. Yeah, so this area I'm going to be lapping it on top. The side where the zip is, I'm going to be lapping it to the other side. And it gave me a little challenge because the trouser was a bit big for me. Yeah, so basically this is where I'm going to be stitching. Down, I went to my machine and I did the stitching, and whoop, yes, this is the final look of my skirt, and I really love the skirt. And you could actually see the snatching I did on the waist. I decided to wear it with a belt. Wait, yes, this is me putting my belt to add a little bit snatching again to my waist. You can actually hear how excited I am about this skirt because I love trying new things. Please subscribe to my channel and then like and share with friends. Please, when you do yours, tag me to it so I can see. Bye.